Okay, I'm gonna be in the back because I'm recording.
Deanna. What? Come on.
Go ahead, y'all. I got the right music for you to go down to this too. Alright, y'all got some music that y'all can ride to. Alright, y'all, go ahead and go.
Wait, we going together. Well, someone's gonna have to run music and be able to.
You supposed to go while the music playing.
Hold on. You want me to go in front so I can tell y'all?
I need that motherfucker coming up some steps.
But they were just gonna go one right after the
Yeah, they got fucking cameras and shit.
Yeah, like, yum.
I thought you were gonna change. Please don't kick me in the head. I won't. Ready? Go.
Go, Asia girl, I got that music for you.
Go.
What the fuck? I'm going last. I got. Music for this shit. Oh shit! My ankle, my leg, my leg. Oh shit! I'm busy as hell.
I gotta get up and Shelby can't breathe.
I got the music for y'all to get up too.
Shelby can't breathe.
I got the music for y'all to get up too. I'm easy.
Running up that fast now.
I got the music to end this off with. Hell no. I'm too fat to be walking up the stairs like that, girl. You seen I was lingering behind.